I want to show you the code that I used to create a loading circle, a navigation bar, and tabs for my course project. I have created a loading circle with jQuery. The loading circle is useful for preventing any user action before the entire page is loaded and showing the user that a web page is loading and is not frozen. The loading circle disappears from the page 2 seconds after the entire page is loaded. The outer circle contains CSS styles that make the element a spinning circle filled with the red to yellow color, graded, and containing 5 pixel padding. The inner circle contains CSS styles that make the element a white circle, thus covering the rotating outer circle except its 5 pixel padding to form a rotating ring. When the entire page has been loaded, the window unload function is executed. Within this function, the show content function will be called after 2 milliseconds. The outer circle is set to be hidden, and the content is set to be shown. I used the jQuery to create a navigation bar that will stick to the top when the vertical scroll bar position from the top of the page is greater than 100 pixels. The navigation bar allows easy access to the application's navigation menu, regardless of where the user is on the page. To create the sticky navigation bar, the on function is attached to the global window object. If the vertical scroll position is greater than 100 pixels, this function will add the class attribute called sticky to the navigation bar. The sticky class attribute causes the navigator bar to stay at top. If the vertical scroll bar position is equal to or less than 100 pixels, the function removes the sticky class attribute from the navigation bar, allowing the navigation bar to move with the page. Tabs are a useful feature for displaying one section at a time on a page. I plan to create 2 different form sections on the same page for users to search products by category and to search products by name. The click event handler is attached to each tab. The 2 tabs have the data tab attribute called tab 1 and tab 2. The 2 sections have the ID attribute with the same name, tab 1 and tab 2. The first tab has the class attribute called active. The active class adds blue background and white text colors to the tab. When the tab is clicked, the active class attribute will be functionally removed from all the tabs and added to the clicked tab. All the sections will be functionally hidden, and then the section with the same tab name will be displayed. Creating these application elements was both challenging and fun. I consulted online resources like Stack Overflow and the W3 Schools to find solutions to the problems I had.